Space has always been an intriguing topic for people of all ages, from the twinkling stars in the night sky to the vast expanse of the universe. There's no denying the beauty and mystery of space. Let's explore some of the wonders of space and learn some new vocabulary along the way. The solar system. Our solar system consists of the Sun and the 8 planets that orbit around it. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet is unique and has its own set of characteristics. For example, Mercury is the smallest planet and is the closest to the Sun. It is also the fastest planet, taking only 88 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Venus, on the other hand, is the hottest planet, with surface temperatures that can reach up to 864 degrees Fahrenheit. Earth, of course, is the planet we call home. It is the only planet that we know of that has the right conditions to support life. Mars, on the other hand, is known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Scientists believe that Mars may have had liquid water on its surface in the past, which makes it an interesting candidate for future exploration. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is known for its giant red spot, a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. Saturn is known for its spectacular rings, which are made up of billions of small particles of ice and rock. Uranus and Neptune are known as the ice giants due to their composition of icy materials. The universe. The universe is a vast and mysterious place. It is estimated that there are over 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, with each galaxy containing billions of stars. Our own Milky Way galaxy contains over 100 billion stars, including our Sun. One of the most fascinating concepts in astronomy is the idea of black holes. A black hole is a region of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle. Space exploration. Humans have been fascinated with space for centuries, and we've been exploring it for decades. The first human to orbit the Earth was Yuri Gagarin in 1961, and the first humans to walk on the Moon were Neil Armstrong and Edwin "Buzz" Aldrin in 1969. Since then, humans have continued to explore space, sending spacecraft to study planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. In recent years, there has been renewed interest in sending humans back to the Moon and even to Mars. In 2020, NASA sent the Perseverance rover to Mars to search for signs of post-microbial life and to collect samples for future return to Earth. The European Space Agency and the Russian Space Agency have also planned a joint mission to Venus to study the planet's atmosphere and geology. The first Japanese person to go to space was Toyohiro Akiyama. Akiyama was a journalist who flew on board the Soviet Soyuz TM-11 mission in December 1990 as part of a commercial agreement between the Soviet Union and Japan. During his time in space, Akiyama conducted experiments and reported on life aboard the space station, becoming the first journalist to report from space. Space tourism. In addition to scientific exploration, there is also a growing interest in space tourism. Several companies, including Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin, are working on developing spacecraft that can take paying passengers on suborbital flights. Space tourism is still in its infancy, and tickets are currently very expensive. However, as technology advances and more companies enter the market, it is possible that space tourism could become more accessible and affordable in the future. The idea of being able to experience weightlessness and see the curvature of the Earth from space is incredibly exciting to many people, and space tourism could become a new industry that offers a unique and unforgettable experience. However, there are also concerns about the environmental impact of space tourism and the safety risks involved. Spacecraft designed for suborbital flights are not subject to the same rigorous safety standards as those designed for orbital flights, and accidents could have catastrophic consequences. Additionally, the carbon emissions from space tourism could contribute to climate change, and the potential for space debris could pose a risk to other spacecraft in orbit. As with any new industry, it will be important for regulators to carefully consider these issues and ensure that space tourism is developed in a responsible and sustainable way.